Hello everyone. Today I will be reviewing a product that is St. Botanicus fish oil with omega 3. I have been using this product for the last 4 to 5 months and I have highly benefited from this product. This is not a sponsored product and I am personally reviewing this product for your benefit. But before using it, I would request you to consult a doctor or physician to avoid any such medical complication. So let's start reviewing the product. This is the product which I had used and I have been using it, and once as I was watching Healthy Cyrus channel and he recommended the use of St. Botanicus fish oil with omega 3, and from then on I have been using it, and it has highly helped me in my pigmentation issues and dry scalp issues. I had pigmentation, I think, for the last 7 to 8 years, severe sort of pigmentation on my face and in some other parts of my body, and this fish oil has helped me to even out most of my pigmented areas. Also, my dry scalp and dry hair issues has almost been sorted out. So I think I need to review this product so that people can use or look into the benefit of it. So let's start reviewing the product. This was the packet which I had received from Amazon 2 days back. 2 days back. And the delivery was very quick, I would say. Whenever I had ordered this product from Amazon, the delivery was very quick. So this is the packet for St. Botanicus fish oil with omega 3. Although the packet is open, but I think the bottle is fine. Now let's look into the bottle. Well, this is the bottle. This is my 4th bottle. This was my 3rd bottle. And this is empty and this is filled up with 60 soft gels. Now these are 60 soft gel enteric capsules as written in the bottle. Now let me read out whatever is written in the bottle. It says it has about 650 milligram of omega 3 fatty acids, in which 330 milligram of EPA, which is eicosapentaenoic pentanoic acid, and 220 mg of DHA, which is docosahexaenoic acid, and about 100 mg of other omega 3 fatty acids. So it includes no artificial colors, and they have warned children and pregnant or lactating women to not to use such or these supplements. So these are 60 capsules and enteric coated, which means there is a soft coating on the soft gels which prevents the capsules from breaking down in the esophagus or stomach. Ideally, the soft gels should break down in the intestine, from where the body can absorb directly all the omega 3 into the bloodstream. But for other capsules or other brands, I think the enteric coating is missing, but this is present in this brand. Also, one more good quality about this brand is that there are no fish burps. There are no fish burps, and I can guarantee you, whenever I have taken, I have never felt like burping, or there is no such fishy smell in these capsules. So there is no fish-like burping in this product. और ये एक ISO certified company है, and then These are gluten-free tablets, soft gels I would say. Also it is written that the benefits of taking fish oil are for eye health, for better brain health, joint health, heart health, immune system and overall health improvement. I say these soft gels are easy to swallow, have better absorption capacity, it has no mercury, heavy metals, also enteric coated and no fishy smell, also gluten free. The dosage as written is for adults 1 soft gel with lukewarm water 1 to 2 times a day as suggested by a doctor, and children and lactating or pregnant women must avoid this. So मैं इसके यूज कर रही हूँ 3-4 महीने से और मुझे पिगमेंटेशन में बहुत ही ज़्यादा फर्क महसूस हुआ है. मेरे ड्राई स्कैल्प और ड्राई हेयर में भी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क महसूस हुआ है. लेकिन for my brittle nails I still have to look out for some more use and see what happens to my nails. Does their quality improve or not? It is better to take omega-3 from plant or natural sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, nuts and other types of seeds, green leafy vegetables like spinach or fishes, oily fishes like salmon, mackerel, etc. But if you are unable to take from these sources, then you can generally opt for supplements like fish oil. But it is better that you consult your doctor before taking any type of supplement. तो चलिए अब मैं दिखाती हूँ आपको ये फिश ऑयल कैप्सूल्स. तो ये मेरा पुराना बॉटल है जो खाली है और ये नया है जिसे मैंने अभी निकाला है. So let's see the capsules. So these are the capsules or soft gels. These are the soft gels. There are 60 soft gels in this bottle. And I generally take 1 soft gel every day after my meals, either lunch or dinner. But I generally skip after every 7 to 10 days so that my dosage do not exceed my required limit. So I think this has been very useful for me and I think I will continue using this in the future also. But I would say this is not a sponsored review. So let's see you in my next review. तो ठीक है, हम नेक्स्ट रिव्यू के लिए आगे बढ़ते हैं और देखते हैं मैं कौन सा रिव्यू नेक्स्ट अपलोड देती हूँ.